Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a get ready with me, and y'all are gonna see me turn into an Instagram baddie, period. If y'all want details on how I got this look, just keep on watching. So to start, I sectioned off the first piece because I'm going for a half up, half down type of look. This hair is literally like so old. It's been dragged through the mud. I've had this hair, I think, since 2018 or 2019. So it's been through a lot. So I just want y'all to stay tuned and watch me transform it into a nice looking wig. I know right now, like, the sideburn looking kind of crazy. I got my hair showing on the side, but trust me, it's gonna really look nice in the end. So you know you gotta take that hot comb and make that thing flatiana, because some of y'all be looking like Humpty Dumpty. So you want to make sure you got your hot comb, and this is something that I'm very glad that I invested in, because look at how flat it made my wig. Like, come on. A little bit of spritz. Y'all don't mind me, I'm on the phone, so if you see my mouth moving, you ain't missing nothing. I'm just talking on the phone with my homegirls. But I'm combing the hair out, and I'm going to put some foaming gel like in my hair, some mousse, because I wanted to get like a curly look, and obviously it was a fail, but I still want y'all to see how it turned out and what I did for that turnout. So yeah. So I'm gonna tell y'all now, I kind of regret twisting it with the mousse. This didn't look bad. I actually should have just left it like this. But of course, I twisted it and wetted a little bit and put the mousse on it because I thought I was gonna have like bigger curls. But y'all gonna see. So now we're getting into the makeup. I usually go for the same natural look, smoky eye with the browns, and then natural face, nothing too crazy. Today, I really snapped on my face though, so y'all stay tuned and take notes. If y'all are enjoying this video right now, do me a huge favor and go crush that like button. Just go show me some love. I just love, 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 love my foundation and how it matches and blends with my skin so well. The coverage is amazing. I use 355. That's the color that I use, and it just matches me really, really well. So, yeah. Once again, I'm on the phone yapping my mouth with my friends, so don't mind me. This isn't a full detailed routine, but I do have a few makeup routines on my page. So if you look at the rest of my videos, you can get in tune with how I do my face. But yeah, this isn't really as detailed as my other videos. I'm just showing y'all how I get ready, quick and easy and simple. But if you're interested in this look, definitely check out my page and look at my last videos. I did use a different technique this time when doing my makeup, and I noticed the difference. So I'm definitely going to be making an updated makeup tutorial video just to show y'all my new tips and stuff like that. So definitely don't forget to subscribe so you can catch my newest uploads. My hair kind of looks cool like this. Look. Girl. So let me tell y'all, I was super upset that my hair was not the curls that I wanted it to be. I put in all that work for my hair to look like this. It doesn't look bad, but it just wasn't what I was going for. If I wanted a wet look, if I wanted a kinky wet look, I would have done that with just water. So I was definitely upset, but I do think it was because I didn't let the hair dry or sit long enough. So that could have been my mistake. I also, if I didn't want the kinky look, I should have never double strand twisted it. I should have just wrapped it around, because then it would have been bigger curls as if I used like a wand curler or flexi rods. Okay, when I'm gonna put my clothes on.
Yeah. You like this? Hold up. I'm trying to see you. Yeah. You like this?
Oh yeah, that's cute. That's like the shirt I have. Yeah, that's cute.
Corset?
Try a I was just gonna say try the corset.
Corset. I was gonna tell you.
So I'm definitely in love with the turnout. My face is flawless, and I do feel like the hair could have been better, but it doesn't look bad. So I'm still in love with the turnout. I left the bun on top of my head because I think it was just cute. So yeah, tell me what y'all think in the comments, and let's see what I'm going to decide to wear with this look. Oh, I think I'm going to wear this two-piece that I got from Shein, y'all. Start. I'm gonna wear this two-piece. So I was not aware that it was going to be blurry like this, y'all, and I'm so sorry. But get into the look though. Look at her. Look at her. Who is she? Oh, we don't know her. Yeah. Can't even see my shoes. Okay, you guys, so I have to go. Thank you so much for watching. This is the final look. The hair, the curls were supposed to be different, but it's okay. It still looks cute. I got this outfit from Shein. I think I already told y'all that, but for the most part, face is beat. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you subscribe and leave a comment, okay? I just said that backwards, but yeah. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on all my social media platforms, and yeah, I'll drop my pics. I might include my pics in this video, but if I don't, I will have them on my social media. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay. Yeah.
Even this shit crazy.